23 ABC's Digital Update is brought to you by West Medical.
I'm Mike Hart. Here's a look at what we're following on this Wednesday. New from overnight, sheriff's investigators looking for the gunman responsible for a deadly shooting. According to KCSO, deputies were notified of that shooting just after 10:30 last night in the area of North King Street and Water Street in East Bakersfield. Deputies say they found a man with at least one gunshot wound. He was taken to the hospital where he later died. Right now, there is no suspect information. Today, several organizations, including the Rapid Response Network of Kern, will be talking to public health to discuss the increase in COVID cases at the Mesa Verde Detention Center. Many detainees have reportedly tested positive for COVID, and immigrants are demanding better living conditions. Detainees in the past have requested a more sanitary living space and the implementation of COVID safety guidelines. Currently, more than 50% of those detained, we're told, have tested positive for COVID. Meantime, in Kern County, the Public Health Department reporting 11 new COVID-19 related deaths Tuesday. The total number of people that have died from the virus in Kern County is now 251. Officials also reported 286 new cases. That brings the total to more than 28,500. You can find a more detailed breakdown on our website, turn23.com. Right now, let's bring in Elena, get a check of that Wednesday forecast.
Hey, good morning. So that air quality expected to be unhealthy for sensitive groups. A breeze yesterday afternoon into the evening hours did mix out a lot of that smoke, but then overnight more of it filled in. An afternoon breeze once again starts to provide some mixing, but as we still have fires burning to our north, they put more of that smoke into the atmosphere, which under stable conditions continues to remain trapped. So the air quality kind of ebbing and flowing each day. We are dealing with the smoke for several more afternoons. We won't see better air quality back to potentially the moderate range until those fires are extinguished. So let's give crews several more days to work around surrounding those fires. Until then, each afternoon is dry and above average with sunny skies and haze. We'll reassess the situation early next week as we have some breezes trying to take us back down to more seasonal mid-90s, but again, no rain in that extended forecast.
And that's a look at some of the stories we're following on this Wednesday. Don't forget, breaking news, weather, and traffic happens all the time. You can find it anytime on our mobile and tablet apps on our website, turn23.com. We'll be back right here later today with another update.